If you got a BMW like this one here, and when you go to start the vehicle with the push button, you're getting a warning up on the dash saying remote control, no engine start. What that's telling you is the key fob isn't being recognized and it's not able to generate the signal to start. So you get the key fob from wherever its current location is, whether it's the center console or your pocket, and you bring it up as close to as possible to the steering column, and you'll see the marking here. You hold it up against that while you simultaneously push the start button. If your vehicle then starts, you're all set. The only thing you need to do is replace the key fob battery. A good indicator is if you've been having issues with your range, or sometimes your key fob doesn't open and close, you'll need to replace the battery. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And if you do encounter that fault in your BMW, you are going to want to change the battery in your key fob. Now, this is a quite straightforward process. I've done a couple of these before, and it is as simple as flipping this over. There's a release button here for the key, so that comes out of the way. And then if you look to the top section here on the openings, this backing cover needs to be removed. So there's a tab here that needs to be pushed up. That needs to be pried up. And then that reveals the battery. This is a 2450 CR2450, and I have a new one here ready to go. So got one in the local shop, a very common battery, so it's readily available. And to remove it, you just need to, again, use your flat screwdriver, pry in underneath. It'll come out as simple as that. Move that to the side, push that in, get the backing cover again. See the retaining clip that pushes down in first, then you press down, and there's another clip here. And that is your key fob back in action again. So a very straightforward process overall. If you have that fault, or you have a weak key fob where the range of opening and closing has been shortening over time, be sure to change the battery on your key fob before it becomes a bigger issue for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.